Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chandalal, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of investing. Now I know what you might be thinking. Investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. We're going to be exploring 7 stocks that have the potential to change your future. And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or chasing after the next meme stock. These are the kinds of companies that have the potential to generate real wealth over the long term. That's what we're focusing on today. So, if you're ready to start building a brighter financial future, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a company that needs no introduction, Apple. This tech giant has been a household name for decades, and for good reason. We all know Apple for their iconic iPhones, sleek MacBooks, and the seamless integration between their devices. And let's not forget those AirPods that seem to be everywhere these days, making wireless audio a norm. But here's the thing, Apple is so much more than just its products, it's a brand that has redefined how we interact with technology. Apple is a powerhouse of innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. From hardware to software, they are always at the cutting edge. They've got their fingers in everything from artificial intelligence to healthcare, making strides in areas that go beyond consumer electronics, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. Their commitment to innovation is unwavering. Just think about the ecosystem Apple has built. It's not just about individual products, it's about how they all work together seamlessly. Millions of people are plugged into their products, from their phones to their computers to their watches. This interconnectedness creates a unique user experience. This creates a level of brand loyalty that's pretty much unmatched in the tech world. People are not just customers, they are fans. People don't just use Apple products, they rely on them for their daily tasks, entertainment, and even health monitoring. They integrate them into their daily lives, making Apple an indispensable part of their routines, and they keep coming back for more. The brand loyalty is incredible, and it's a testament to the quality and innovation Apple consistently delivers. And let's not forget Apple's incredible financial strength. This is a company that knows how to manage its resources effectively. We're talking about a company with a massive cash reserve and a knack for generating consistent profits year after year. Their financial acumen is as impressive as their technological innovations. This financial stability makes Apple a relatively safe bet in the often volatile world of investing. Investors can have confidence in Apple's ability to weather economic storms. This financial stability makes Apple a relatively safe bet in the often volatile world of investing. Investors can have confidence in Apple's ability to weather economic storms. They're constantly pushing the envelope, exploring new technologies and coming up with products that we didn't even know we needed. Their innovation pipeline is always full, and coming up with products that we didn't even know we needed. From augmented reality to advanced health features, Apple is always ahead of the curve. They're not resting on their laurels, they're constantly evolving, adapting to new trends, and setting new standards in the industry. And that's what makes them a compelling investment opportunity. Their ability to innovate and adapt is unparalleled. So, if you're looking for a company with a proven track record of innovation, a loyal customer base, and a bright future, Apple is definitely worth considering. Their journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. And a bright future, Apple is definitely worth considering. Their journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. Now, let's switch gears and talk about a company that's been a cornerstone of the stock market for over a century. Johnson & Johnson. You know them, right? From their baby shampoo to their Band-Aids to their groundbreaking pharmaceuticals, Johnson & Johnson has been a part of our lives for generations. Their products are household names, trusted by millions around the world. But here's why I love J&DJ as an investment. They're the epitome of stability and resilience. Their ability to adapt and thrive in various market conditions is truly remarkable. We're talking about a company that's weathered economic storms, market crashes, and even global pandemics, and they've always come out stronger on the other side. Their resilience is a testament to their robust business model and strategic foresight. That's the kind of steady hand you want in your portfolio, especially during times of uncertainty. When the market is volatile, having a reliable company like J&DJ can provide a sense of security. One of the things that sets J&DJ apart is its diversified business model. This diversification is not just a strategy, it's a strength that allows them to navigate through various economic cycles. They're not just a pharmaceutical giant, they're also a major player in consumer health and medical devices. This multifaceted approach ensures they have multiple revenue streams. This diversification helps to insulate them from downturns in any one particular market. If one sector faces challenges, the other sectors can help balance the overall performance. If one area of their business is struggling, they've got other areas to pick up the slack. This kind of balance is crucial for long-term stability and growth. This focus on innovation ensures that J&DJ remains at the forefront of the healthcare industry for years to come. Their commitment to research and development is unparalleled. If you're looking for a solid, dependable company with a long history of success and a bright future, Johnson & Johnson is definitely worth a closer look. Their track record speaks for itself, and their future prospects are equally promising. Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about a company that's been making headlines and disrupting multiple industries. Tesla. Love them or hate them, there's no denying that Tesla has completely changed the game when it comes to electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. Now, I know Tesla can be a bit of a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. Their stock price can be volatile, and Elon Musk's tweets don't always help matters, often causing quite a stir in the market. But here's the thing, Tesla is so much more than just a car company. It's a vision for the future. They're a technology company, an energy company, and a design company all rolled into one, constantly innovating and pushing boundaries. Think about it. Tesla isn't just building electric cars. They're building the entire ecosystem to support those cars, from their extensive supercharger network to their advanced home energy storage solutions. They're creating a future where sustainable transportation and clean energy are accessible to everyone, making a significant impact on our planet. But if you believe in the future of sustainable energy, if you believe in the power of innovation, and if you're willing to stomach a little volatility, then Tesla could be a game changer for your portfolio. It's a bold bet on a greener future. It's a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries, taking risks, and challenging the status quo, all in the name of progress and sustainability. All right, let's talk about a company that's been a mainstay in the tech world for decades, Microsoft. We all know Microsoft, right? They brought us Windows, Office, and Xbox, and they've been a dominant force in the tech industry for as long as I can remember. But here's the thing about Microsoft that impresses me. They're not afraid to evolve. They could have easily rested on their laurels and continued to milk their existing products for all they're worth. But instead, they've embraced change, adapted to the times, and reinvented themselves for the cloud computing era. Think about it. Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure, is now one of the leading cloud providers in the world, going head-to-head with Amazon Web Services. They've also made significant strides in areas like artificial intelligence, gaming, and cybersecurity. Under Satya Nadella's leadership, Microsoft has become a much more agile and forward-thinking organization. They are a solid, dependable company with a long history of success, a strong track record of innovation, and a bright future ahead of them. Let's dive into the world of healthcare with a company that's been at the forefront of medical innovation for decades. Pfizer. You know them, right? They're the ones who brought us Viagra, Lipitor, and of course one of the leading COVID-19 vaccines. Pfizer is a true giant in the pharmaceutical industry, and they've got a track record of developing life-saving medications that's second to none. But here's what I find most compelling about Pfizer as an investment: their unwavering commitment to research and development. They're constantly pouring billions of dollars into developing new drugs and therapies, tackling some of the world's most challenging diseases. This dedication to innovation is what sets them apart and ensures their continued success in the ever-evolving world of healthcare. As people live longer, the demand for healthcare services and medications is only going to increase. Pfizer is well positioned to capitalize on this trend as they're a leader in developing treatments for age-related conditions. All right, let's talk about a company that's leading the charge toward a cleaner, more sustainable future: NextEra Energy. Now, you might not be as familiar with NextEra as you are with some of the other companies we've discussed, but trust me, they're a big deal in the world of renewable energy. NextEra Energy is the world's largest producer of wind and solar energy. They're on a mission to build a cleaner energy future, and they're doing it by investing heavily in renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. They're also a major player in traditional energy generation and distribution, but their focus on renewables is what sets them apart. Climate change is real, and the need for clean, sustainable energy sources has never been greater. NextEra is at the forefront of this transition, and they're well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for renewable energy. As the cost of renewable energy continues to fall, it's becoming increasingly competitive with traditional fossil fuels. Let's wrap things up with a company that needs no introduction. Alphabet, the parent company of Google. I mean, who hasn't used Google today? From searching for information to sending emails to watching videos, Google has become an indispensable part of our digital lives. But here's the thing about Alphabet. They're so much more than just a search engine. They're a technology powerhouse with their fingers in everything from artificial intelligence to self-driving cars to life sciences. Alphabet owns YouTube, the world's largest video platform. They own Android, the most popular mobile operating system globally. They're investing heavily in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are transforming industries from healthcare to finance to transportation. With billions of users across their various platforms, Alphabet has an unparalleled reach and an incredible amount of data at their fingertips. This data is incredibly valuable, as it allows them to target advertising more effectively, develop new products and services, and gain deeper insights into consumer behavior. Despite challenges like data privacy and antitrust concerns, Alphabet remains a dominant force in the tech industry, constantly innovating and expanding into new markets. So, there you have it, 7 stocks that have the potential to change your future. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making smart, long-term investments in companies that you believe in. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more investing tips and tricks. And hey, let me know in the comments which of these stocks you're most excited about. Take action, start building your portfolio, and let's work together to create a brighter financial future. See you in the next video.